Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi everyone. How are you today? Good. I hope that all of you are fine and ready to study with me, Ustadzah Penny. Now we will learn about seasons and weather. Seasons and weather. Musim dan cuaca. The aims of study are mentioning kinds of seasons and weather. Tujuan pembelajaran kita adalah yang pertama, menyebutkan macam-macam musim dan cuaca. Asking about and describing the weather in the present and in the past. Menanyakan dan menjelaskan cuaca di waktu sekarang dan di waktu lampau. The first material is mentioning kinds of seasons and weather. Materi yang pertama, kita akan menyebutkan macam-macam musim dan cuaca.
Listen and repeat. 1. Spring. Spring.
In spring, the weather is usually warm and sunny. Leaves and flowers start to grow.
2. Summer. Summer.
Summer is the hottest season. The trees have green leaves, and there are lots of flowers in parks and gardens.
3. Autumn. Autumn.
In autumn, the weather gets colder again. It is often windy. The leaves on the trees change color.
4. Winter. Winter.
Winter is the coldest season. Some countries have snow in winter.
5. Monsoon. Monsoon.
Some countries have a monsoon season. It rains a lot in a monsoon.
6. Flood. Flood.
A flood is when there is a lot of water in the streets. Sometimes people can't drive their cars because there is so much water.
7. Drought. Drought.
Some countries doesn't rain for a long time. The land is very dry. This is called a drought.
8. Storm. Storm.
In a storm, you often see lightning and you hear thunder.
9. Thunder and lightning. Thunder and lightning.
Lightning is a large electric flash of light, and after lightning, you hear thunder. Thunder is the noise that you hear caused by lightning.
Well done. Always practice and learning those vocabularies and with good pronunciation. The second material is asking about and describing the weather in the present and in the past. Materi yang kedua adalah menanyakan dan menjelaskan cuaca di waktu sekarang dan di waktu lampau. Now, look at the conversation between two of students, Zahwa and Hasna. Check it out.
Guess what? Guess what? Guess what?
When you asking about the weather in the present or now, you can asking by this following question. Ketika kalian menanyakan cuaca di waktu sekarang, kalian bisa menanyakan dengan pertanyaan berikut.
Where do you live?
I live in Indonesia. What is the weather like in Indonesia? It is monsoon. There is a lot of rain in the monsoon season.
When you asking about the weather in the past, you can asking by this following question. Ketika kalian menanyakan cuaca di waktu lampau, kalian bisa menanyakan pertanyaan berikut.
And you? Where do you live? I live in London. What was the weather like in London? It was hot and sunny. Usually, I go to the beach with my family.
Dialog ketiga. Describing the weather in the present. Menjelaskan cuaca di waktu sekarang.
Is the weather in spring very cold and snowy? No, it's not. In spring, the weather is warm and sunny.
Dialog 4. Describing the weather in the past. Menjelaskan cuaca di waktu lampau.
Was there a storm yesterday? Yes, it was. In a storm, you often see lightning and you hear thunder.
Alright, so you have learned about kinds of seasons and weather, and also asking and describing the weather in the present and in the past. Don't forget to memorize the vocabularies and practice the conversation every day with your family. Keep clean and keep your healthy, and see you again on the next video. Goodbye. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.